Hello friends. The title of the video is Farmer Suicide and Maratha and Kunbi Community. In the last 20 years, lot of Indian farmers committed suicide. Maharashtra state is no exception to it. Lot of Maharashtrian farmers are committing suicide every year. In these Maharashtrian farmers, the percentage of Maratha and Kunbi community farmers committing suicide is very high. The question is raised, why the Maratha and Kunbi community farmers are more in the committing suicide? There may be many reasons for it. The reason may include social, cultural and economic. Here, I will try to explain the sociological aspects of committing suicide. The Maratha and Kunbi are the dominant caste of Maharashtra. The concept of dominant caste was given by M.N. Srinivas, the eminent sociologist. The dominant caste has three characteristics. The first is they are majoritarian in the population of Maharashtra. Second is they are land-owning community. Third is they also dominate the politics of Maharashtra. As they are the dominant caste, they dominate the socio-economic life of their surrounding region. Many times, these Maratha and Kunbi people borrow the money from the money lenders for economic activities, that is agriculture activities. But that borrowed money from the money lender is used to maintain their social status in the society. So, they used to spend that money on the unproductive events like marriage or alcoholism or birthdays and so on. At the end of a year, when the money lender comes to the door of Maratha or Kunbi community to get the money, they don't have money to repay. Many times, the money lender makes the insult of borrowers in front of the society. Insult in front of the family, community or society. Affront the honor of Maratha or Kunbi peasant. They feel dishonor and disgrace in the eyes of society. So, many times in the moment of emotional disgrace, they commit suicide. To conclude, the spending on unproductive events or habits or asset compels the people to commit suicide. Thank you for watching my video.